Hello and welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to prep our food. It is Monday. For breakfast we are having maple apple oatmeal. I'm going to cut up some apples, give them like that maple cinnamon touch or whatever. I don't know if I'm just going to do a half at a time or just go ahead and cook one apple at a time and then hopefully it's still good the next day, but I don't think apples operate that way, so I don't really know. But I do know that I will be having maple apple oatmeal. It's been a while since I've had oatmeal. I've had like overnight oats, but I haven't had like warm oatmeal in a while. For lunch I'll be making teriyaki shrimp with some cauliflower medley rice and pineapple. I've always wanted to do like a pineapple teriyaki kind of bowl situation. It's something that I've seen on Pinterest before and it just looks so good. So I'm going to go ahead and have that for lunch. And the thing is, I tried that teriyaki sauce, that Kinder's teriyaki sauce, in my last meal plan that I posted, and it was delicious. So I've just been using it for everything: wings, shrimp, salmon. So this time I'm going to use it for teriyaki shrimp. And then for dinner, I'm missing my Mediterranean food, so I am going to have some shawarma, and I'm going to have it with like naan dippers. At first I was supposed to do a naan shawarma and wrap the meat and veggies in like a naan wrap, but I didn't want to commit to a whole naan wrap, and I don't think I would be able to eat a whole naan wrap because it's kind of thick. So I just got naan dippers because I can portion control those better. So I'm going to have like some shawarma chicken, I have some red onions, some veggies, and then I have like some tzatziki, and then I have those naan dippers, so I'm looking forward to that too. Right now I'm famished. I went to the gym earlier in the day, like around 7. It is 11 a.m. right now, so let's go make breakfast before I pass out. Before, I know, but this is so good. Okay, I think every video I'm always saying this is so good, but no, this is so good. It kind of tastes like apple pie oatmeal. It is now my lunchtime, and by lunchtime, y'all, it is 4:30. Okay, I couldn't get away from my laptop to make my food, but right now I'm going to go ahead and do it. So I'm making teriyaki shrimp bowls with teriyaki shrimp. I have a pineapple here that I'm going to cut up, and then I have a cauliflower medley that I'm going to make like a fried rice style. So tell me, excited to try this. Let's see how it's going. Something is missing. I don't know. I added a little bit more sauce, but it is good. Next day, and it's later in the evening. I have on my activewear because I just went for a walk, and I needed to clear my mind and everything, but now I'm hungry and I'm ready for dinner. I had my lunch earlier and like some in-between snacks, but I really need to get this cooked because tomorrow I'll go to the office. So for dinner I am prepping shawarma And it was supposed to be like a non-shawarma that was supposed to be in a full wrap. But as I was like looking at those wraps and like looking at like the carbs and everything, it was a little too high, and I knew I wasn't going to be able to commit to a whole wrap, and I didn't want to waste, so I got naan dippers instead. So I think I'm just going to make the Mediterranean chicken, and I'm going to chop up my vegetables, and I'm going to have it on like some tzatziki, like maybe spread some tzatziki on the bottom, or maybe I'll like drizzle it on top, and then I'll toast like my naan dippers, and I'll probably only have 4 because they're like small. Let me show you. So this is the tzatziki. Then they had these naan bites, so I'm going to have these with it as well. Surprisingly, I am not making any garlic sauce. Okay, I love garlic sauce, and I feel like in every meal plan I'm having garlic sauce. So I'm trying to switch stuff up by having tzatziki, and I don't know how to make that myself now. So I'm just gonna buy it, and in the future when I learn how to make it, I'll start making it. But I'm always making garlic sauce, so I wanted to avoid that this time and try some tzatziki. Finally done, and it looks really good. And I don't know why I'm acting like this is something I haven't had before. Let me get a fork. I've had Mediterranean chicken all the time, but this time I use chicken thighs. And then the way I have this set up is with cucumbers and tomatoes. So I'm excited to try it out. Let's see. Y'all have issues with like consistency, like with flavors. But I don't know, the Mediterranean chicken, I get it right every time, no matter what the flavor is. And I made the naan like the pita chips that you would get at Kava. Okay, I rubbed it down with olive oil and then I salted it. I love that every time I do it. It just shows you that the stuff they do is so simple. You can do it yourself, but at the same time, you can still pull up to the establishments. But if you ever want to make something yourself, you can do it at home. Like, I'm an advocate for making it at home. Solid 10. Almost finished this whole bowl on camera.